Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reinstall Windows 11 without losing all file. It's completely easy. Just simply come over your start icon, click on the right mouse button and go for settings. After that you just need to go for systems and then you will find the option called recovery. If you scroll down a little bit, you will find the recovery option over here. So if you click on that, you will get an option called reset this PC. If you're facing any of your glitches in your Windows 11, then simply reset will be a very good option. And if it's have an option called you don't have losing any of your data, then it's very good. For that, you just need to come over into your reset this PC, click on the reset PC. And from here you can see there is two options called remove everything and keep my files. So I'm going to click on keep my files, and here you can see there will be a slightly little loading. After that you can see there will be an option called how would you like to reinstall Windows. If you want to download it as a cloud, you can do it as well, or you can do local reinstall. So if I'm going to click on this local reinstall, there will be a permission called reinstall Windows from this PC. And if you just want to give this permission called reinstall Windows from this PC, then you can do it as well. And now what you need to do, you just need to click on this local reinstall and then click next. After a slight little loading over here, and then there will be a resetting will. So what will be resetted into your this reinstall Windows? So you can see change settings back to their defaults, keep personal files. You can that will keep your personal files as well, and reinstall Windows from this PC or remove all apps and programs. So removing all apps and programs is very easy to download them again, so you don't need to worry about anything. And now if you just click on reset, it will be resetted and there will be a continue program, so you don't need to worry about, just simply click on reset. So this is how we can reinstall Windows 11 without losing all. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.